The dental school is unrecognizable for me from when I went there, so everything looks new, fresh. It's just a really beautiful place. The clinics look spectacular. They're much more open and patient-friendly. The lighting's much better. Just overall technology incorporated into the clinics. It's a beautiful space.
I love how it's bright and airy inside, very clean and fresh looking. It's easy to navigate around. Now that I understand how the layout is on each floor, it's making things a lot easier and I can find things a lot better. It's an all-around great looking building.
I think that it's more modernized, for one thing. The equipment that is in here now is like state of the art. That helps for a better experience for everybody.